Maybe take out my makeup, and I just did it like a lot of minutes ago. Yes. This is just this again. Like makeup. Okay, because I have to go show them video later. Really. So. God.
Okay, wait. Feminine wash.
This was like oil when I touched it. To cook something. I don't really before I put it by itself. Now I'm scared that I might get burned because I got burned.
Don't stop looking at me.
Panema or Gwenda.
One baby boy.
Yes, tara, magpaputol na naman tayo for today's video dahil merong naka-buy one, get one
This one's
free na mga chinela sa mga sandals. Okay, ito may panema na to na 39 real lang siya. Pero buy one, get one free na yan.
Okay, so let's take you guys to the...
Dahil naka-save sila.
This literally takes me like 3 minutes to take off. So my eye hurts. For this, okay. Okay, so I have this towel right now.
Okay, very good, my love. Ano makakita ka na?
Okay, so you can see the mirror. On my face.
Give it to me now. Bakit sabi ni OBBS si Mark Alcala talaga yung kasama niya?
Sinasabi ko nga sa inyo si Mark Alcala na.
Kasi doon sa isang video, hindi siya
Siya na.
sa sides mo. Ha?
Tagal na naman niya ano eh.
Mag-jowa. Nakakapasi na kay Daniel at Kyla, di ba?
Si Alvin pa nga doon.
Ha?
Kasi ano sa home, ano yun sa lola pa rin parang yata.
Sila na yung mga mayor, di ba?
Diba yan?
Oh. So
Iba din si Alvin, paano?
okay. Bye everybody.
Zion, I said, can I get my...
Bye
Sandali
everybody.
lang po.